Hello again, class. Now we're going to review your Week 4 graded assignment, Chapter 12, Check Yourself. In the previous video, we reviewed how to complete and submit your Chapter 11. Let's move on to Chapter 12. In order to open this assignment, we're going to click on the green puzzle piece next to Week 4 graded assignment, Chapter 12, Check Yourself. This is either going to load your assignment into a new tab, or in Middle Rooms, under the Cengage box here, there will be a blue hyperlink to click on to enter into your assignment. Once that assignment is loaded, go ahead and make sure that you are completing the correct chapter. We're working on Chapter 12, so we're ready to go. Once you're ready to start that assignment, click on the blue Start Assignment Now button. In this assignment, you have 10 questions to answer. Within each question, you have the opportunity to check your work before moving on to the next question. For the sake of the demonstration, I'm going to just show you how to check your work. I'm going to click on option D here, click check my work, and this box is going to pop up and tell me whether or not this answer is correct or not. You can then change your answer and then move on to the next question. The ultimate goal of this assignment is to get a green check mark next to numbers 1 through 10. Once you're finished with the assignment, click on the blue Submit Assignment for Grading button here. This black box will pop up asking if you're ready to submit and exit this assignment. Click on the blue Submit for Grading button now. This new page will load, telling you what you scored on this assignment. If you would like to try again for a higher grade, you have the opportunity to do this assignment 2 more times. If you'd like to do so, click on the blue Take This Again hyperlink. If you have any questions, reach out to your instructor or your academic coach. We're always here to help you. Good luck. We'll see you next week.